What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. Happy Friday, everyone. And in this video, or this live stream, we're going to be talking all about the trading day. Certain stocks I was interested in throughout this week. Some trades I made. And yeah, pretty much just going over everything. So sorry I didn't give you guys a heads up as to when I was going to be live streaming. But I hope you guys still decide to join. Don't forget to smash that like button, of course, if you are watching this stream after the fact. And let's pull up the chat, give you guys some time to get in here. But in the meantime, I will go over a few things for all of the viewers that, tune in after the fact. So let's go. All right. So guys, let's see first. I'm going to start this like we do in every single video, with our market recap and what happened on Wall Street. I simply just want to pull up also our channel so we can do a quick little comment of the day. All right. Let's see, guys. So that was their last video. Let's quickly go to comment of the day. So great vid, bro. Any chance you can interview E.B. Tucker about NOVR? Looking into that. Lots of technicals pointing to explosive breakouts coming soon. TSX Venture and also silver seem poised to explode to the upside. Unfortunately, not today. A waiting game now. Nice ride for next. Introduced on Departure stocks. Just thought I would throw it out there for brownie points. And yes, man, we did get a really nice run for next. So very happy about that. Next, merch. Next. I want to win MindMed merch portfolio green across the board. Yeah, so congrats to everyone who had next. We'll pull that up to take a look a little bit later. Bought next a few days after the IPO. Love the concept. If they can do it, they say it's a definite winner, and I want to win MindMed merch. Good stuff. What's going on, AM? Thanks for tuning in. Sorry I didn't give you guys any heads up as to whether I'd be streaming or not. So I just 2 minutes before I just popped up. Departures Capital is live. So smash the like button, of course. Drop me a comment. Say some stuff in the chat. Let's get some more people in here. And happy Friday. It's a little bit gloomy of a day here. It's going to rain soon and probably snow. But anyways, looking forward to MindMed merch. By the way, we still have a few pieces of merch that are unclaimed, and I can't track down the people. So we'll give it another 2 weeks. If no one contacts me, those things are going to go right back into the draw for next week. So Pritesh Patel, thank you, Aaron, for your recommendation on Next. Bought 2K at $1.85. Topic apart, as per your suggestion, I bought 50,000 shares of nickel at 41 cents. Now $1.08. Working on to buy. Wow, it's quite a lot of shares, man. Good job. I mean, congratulations. Obviously, I never tell you guys to buy or sell, but NICL has been a big winner. About a year ago, you made a video on Mention Baby F when it was 30 cents. Yeah, that's nuts. 10 bagger right there. Congrats, man. Anyone predicted silver will go above 30 in 2021? I sure hope so. FCO is starting to take off. I'm down heavy on the metals, as I am too. Today was a brutal day for the metals, but I remain optimistic. And didn't sell any silver today. Didn't sell any silver. Can you take a look to a stock that I buy? The ticker is SNES. You should really get into Red Light Holland. Big things are coming. What do you think of the sector? I can't say that word on here. Sorry, I almost slipped up. I haven't taken a look, so let's actually take a look. Great buying day for the metals. I agree. I wish that MindMed went up a little bit more because I was looking to take a small bit off the table and put it into the metals. Wow, I did not see the breakout. The breakout for Afria is crazy. It looks like they're just following the MSOs now. ACB's at $15. That's still what, like $1.20, like post split. So AM, buddy, don't worry. I have a lot of shares of MindMed. I bought more this week. So like my goal was to book a profit on that small swing trade position. I've got a big chunk that I will hold long for a long time. So if you're wondering, why I said that, I've got lots of faith in MindMed. So don't worry about that. I'm hoping to make a nice return from here on MindMed. Hex almost 10. Yeah, it's crazy. So I got a few things, not just comments. Let's take a look quickly at gold, and the sentiment changed pretty dramatically. Wall Street went very bearish on gold, 37% bearish, 37% neutral, and only 25% bullish on gold. So right now gold's not getting any love. All of the commodities were tanking today except for natural gas. Crude down 2.6%, gold down 1.4%, silver down 4%. So it was a rough day for the metals. What's up, Andrew? Fuse, heavy position. What did they do? I didn't get a chance to look. Let's see here. Yeah, 25%. Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Big gains. Let's take a look at Very real quick. I don't know. I feel like it's had its it's probably not had its run, or it may have had its run. From, if we look, it's gone from a buck to like $7. At this point, I would rather try and find the next one, the next dollar stock that goes to $5 or something like that. So let's talk about why the metals went down real quick then. So I see why. I mean, the dollar index. Sorry, my neck's so messed up. All right, so the dollar index rallied, and that hands down is bearish for commodities. Dollar's having a recovery right now, and it's really doing some damage in the precious metal sector, and it looks like it's going to break out, which is not good. So I'm still bullish long term on gold and silver, but right now they're just taking it. And the US 10-year, I'm going to assume climbed. Oh, it didn't. So the 10 years around 1.095. I'd say this sell-off was dollar driven, so US dollar index bouncing. I've heard about BNGO. I haven't taken a look at it, haven't played it. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't get it. The 10-year went down, the dollar went up. It's almost like these traders are just looking for an excuse to sell gold. Like, the dollar was going down, but the 10-year was going up and they were selling gold. The dollar was going up and the 10-year is going down and they're selling gold. It's like any excuse to sell gold and silver right now to suppress those two commodities seems like what's going on in the market right now. It seems like they're just trying to hold it back. But we know that the gold and silver markets have been manipulated for so long, so that's just my opinion. Very anticipated to make $200 million this year instead of $5 million through acquiring other profitable food companies. See, the Very Good Food Co. has been very successful, but I like to get in at the start. I had the opportunity to and missed the boat. Let's be honest. I interviewed their CEO like right at the start when the stock was trading for $1.40. So I can't buy them all. Also, I just don't have that kind of money. From now on, I'm just gonna, have a checklist, and if the stock checks most of my boxes, I'm just gonna buy a bit of it right at the start. That's gonna be my strategy. I see that net long positions in central banks for gold has increased. Physical holdings. That's a good sign. I mean, that's a good sign. The central banks are long term though. They don't care. They're just holding it out. So one stock that I've been looking at this week that's also, it had a really great day today, up 46%, and I did in fact buy this a couple times this week. First stop, this is a horrible chart, so let's go to investing.com. So this was one stock that I bought this week. I don't know why it's saying, I guess it's delayed 4 minutes. It closed at 11 cents. But way back in the day, I made some videos about this company, and it's gone up by a lot recently. It's up 45% today on heavy volume. It's seen some of the most volume, it's ever seen in the history of the company, and this is probably one of the only things regarding, blockchain and all that stuff that I would consider. Well, I have already invested into it. So, Lightlink Technologies. Keep it on your watch list. It's done pretty well this week, so might be one to take a look at for next week. And let's see a few other things about it. $18 million market cap. Shares trading for 11 cents. So, anyways, let's see what else we got here, guys. What is it? Vega? Plant X? I did not invest in Plant. Vegistate Technologies changed to Plant X. They dropped 10% today. It's an interesting concept. The video that we put out got more dislikes than normal because, a lot of people found out that Sean Dollinger is their CEO, which is the former CEO of Namaste, and I actually will be interviewing him on Monday. So of course, it's a sponsored video. But, yeah, so you guys can obviously do your own research and due diligence. My stuff is I do sponsored content, I do non-sponsored content, so I'm just putting that out there. If you are 50K in debt with ACB, would you sell? That's a great question. I don't know. I don't like to take losses. I mean, sometimes you got to cut losses, but yeah, so that is the stock you're talking about. VEGA or VEGN. Yeah. Oh, sorry, VEGN. Haven't looked at this one. Oh, wait a second. Yes, sorry, Plant and Co-brands. Sorry guys, there's been a lot of videos that I've done recently, and this one's done a little bit better. We put the video out early this week, was it? I'll admit, I've been super busy with a lot of sponsored vids. No, it wasn't that one. Yes, Plant and Co-brands 2 weeks ago. That's what we're talking about. Sorry. No, they've done well. Looking like an amateur here, guys. Sorry. Yeah, wow, 40 some cents to 73 cents. Good return so far. Yeah, some of those videos have done, or some of those companies have done really well. NICL's done really well. Nickel Rock Resources, 94 cents. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, I'm getting confused with Plant X. Sorry, the tickers are very, very similar. And I've done so many videos recently. But it's nice to see a lot of these companies, that have put out sponsored content do well. Obviously, guys, don't take these as financial advice. I never tell you guys to buy or sell these stocks. They are small cap, like this one. That one's not very small cap. Nickel Rock Resources still is only $31 million. It doesn't take much to move them. They are highly volatile, so I'll say this forever, you know. Just be careful. You can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money trading these stocks. So as long as the market's good, it usually works out, but not always. So I don't want to be labeled as a pumper. But anyways, there's a lot of stuff from Kitco I want to take a look at. A lot of stocks in the silver sector tanked today. I have heard of Huron Life Sciences. I owned that for a while. Don't think I own it anymore. Gatos Silver tanked 15% today. So this is definitely cooling off. I kind of regret not taking some profit at 18 because I've held this since 8. But still up 75%. Can't really complain. But silver is looking a little shaky. Let's just do a quick little look at the technicals for gold and silver. Gold at 18.26. I still feel like this is the most undervalued trade of 2021. You know, as much as I love my MindMed and all that stuff, I still feel like gold is so undervalued, and gold equities. They just get hammered when the market corrects. So I don't know. By the looks of it, we're testing some support. We'll see if 1825-ish holds. We'll see what happens. I've been consistently like rebalancing my portfolio, so I do want to load up on a couple silver plays. Let's talk about silver plays real quick right now. AAG is on my watch list for sure. At $1.12, it's pulled back from almost $1.70. So AAG was one. IPT, can't type today. Impact Silver, still remain bullish on this one. It's great leverage to the silver price. I can't believe now it's down at 89 cents. Wow. It was up to $1.17. Silver has really, really pulled back. Silver 1. You know, I asked for a dip in this sector. Holy smokes, I didn't ask for this much of a dip. But then again, you know, if psychedelics can run, then I'll be able to transfer some profits out of there, hopefully into gold and silver, because that's my long-term goal. I don't have much of an opinion on Dogecoin or cryptos in general. I know they're down today. I don't research individual coins really. Bitcoin's down 10%, Ether is down 6%. Like I said, sorry about that. 1 second. I just getting a call here. Anyone able to trade their Leviathan shares Fosterville spin out? Are metals still in a bull run? That's a good question. I think there is. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Anywho, would you mind disclosing your age? What the? Sorry, man. I don't. But. I don't like to talk about personal stuff. Maybe if I'm feeling good. But yeah, no. I don't talk like figures. The private group has my public portfolio though, so you can see that in the private group. But yeah, sorry man, I'm in my 20s. That's all you need to know. So glad I brought down my average in APQ. What are your experiences with psychedelics? I've never used them. I like the sector. I don't claim to be the biggest psychedelic expert. I've had the opportunity to be part of MindMed from the IPO. I'm just a guy interested in the sector, in a growing sector. Obviously, I started in the MJ sector, so it's like, that's my experience. I'm just someone who's interested in it. And then, having MindMed as my first success, it opens the door to further opportunities. So, mush love, brother. Love Tad and SCR. How'd Tad do today? $1.52, or sorry, 1.52% or $2.67. One thing I noticed about TAD is it looks like we're forming, it really looks like the stock's consolidating and it's going to go one way or the other. I mean, I hope it goes up, but correct me if I'm wrong. My technical analysis is not always the best, but like this was the first thing I saw was this wedge for TAT. Clean that up a little bit, maybe, I don't know, but I feel like, yeah, we're consolidating. And where's the support going to be at here? Yeah, that looks, I mean, technicals look pretty good. What's the RSI? $54.45 on the month, 54 on the year. Definitely looks like it's gonna have a move, some kind of big move. Might be an interesting swing trade opportunity. Yeah, sometimes I day trade. More so swing trade. I would say I don't buy and sell in the same day. I haven't done that a lot. I haven't done that in a long time. The most frequent type of trading I would do is probably day trade, swing trade. So like, okay, let's say I buy on a Monday and sell on a Wednesday if it goes up 30%, but I don't normally do that. Only recently that I've had a little bit more money to play with. I'm invested big today in silver, DSV, AAG, AUN. I think those are three awesome picks. I own all three. I like all three. And RSLV. I like RSLV too. Man, you must be watching my channel or something. Those are literally like four of my favorite silver stocks. So, silver had a bad day. I think it was, I plan to buy these dips. Obviously not putting too much into one basket. But I still am bullish on gold and silver. So hopefully, the psychedelics have a big run. Breakout. Let's look at the charts for MindMed. Could be happening, hopefully. What did we close at? Oh, of course. Closed down 2 cents. This chart right here, though, is looking like a nice bull flag forming. There was a very famous trader. I think he's called Stewie the Trader or something, with like 150,000 followers on Twitter, and he tweeted about the bull flag that he sees forming in MindMed. Like, this right here, it looks like an amplified version of what happened after the initial run up, It took off to like $1.20, $1.30, $1.50, I don't know exactly. And then it kind of and then Now it's kind of looking like the same thing. You know, we ran up, and then hopefully we're going to go to the double digits. That's where, you know, I think the next run's going to go, because this thing went from like $1 to $6. Now hopefully we go 4 to like $12. I don't know. I'm just being optimistic. Not financial advice. Drone sector being missed. Kids been rocketing for 4 weeks. Drone, Dragonfly drone. Ehang. Like sometime I made 3K in 1 hour and I don't know if I should sell or not. That's why. Day trading is not for the faint at heart, and I don't do it because you get really high highs and you get really low lows, and you need to be able to execute on a strategy, you know, and really keep your emotions in check. It's fun when you win, and it sucks when you lose. I need MindMed to go to $40 so I can feed my kids. Don't forget to give Aaron a like. That's correct. Thanks, buddy. I forgot about that. I'm just enjoying talking to you guys. They are consolidated. I'm not scared for MindMed. I agree. Like, it looks like a really nice, healthy chart. And, you know, I'm going to be patient with this one. They're one of the leaders in the sector. And, you know, I think that this consolidation is what the sector needed. And it also presents a pretty decent, in my opinion, entry point for, you know, a new investor that thought, oh my gosh, I got FOMO on the way up here. So, or whatever, you know, I missed out on the initial run. But from what I saw happen in the MJ sector a couple years ago, you know, a $1 billion valuation, even in today's day and age of high-flying IPOs, billions of dollars created all the time. I think that, you know, we've got a lot more room to go than just 1.25 billion. So, fingers crossed, guys. So yeah, like I said, this is my only exposure to blockchain, crypto, whatever you want to say, is Lightlink Technologies. So I did buy some this week. It's done pretty good this week. So very small cap stock. Be careful. I'm just saying what I did. More worried about commodities than MMEDF. Let's take Numi to the next level. Need to get over $2. Yes, I still own some Numi. That is true. I would like that. I'd like MindMed to get back to 52-week highs. Let's face it, guys. They're trading below their financing. Anything below 440, that's literally been my strategy. Is I'm buying below 440 when the time, or when I can justify it, or when I have enough money. That's it for me. But above 440, I would be a little bit cautious. I feel like it has the potential to run way more than 440. Because if Canaccord and CIBC and all those big institutions invested at 440, I'm pretty sure they're expecting, you know, that to go to a lot more than 440. So, anyways, enough with the MindMed talk. I'm sure you guys don't mind it, but let's talk about a few other things. There was one other company. Discovery Metals, 6% again today. Holy. How low can you go? It's been a tough run. You know, it hasn't been that nice bull run that we saw at the start of 2020. Long period of consolidation. Really, you know, the commodity sector, especially gold and silver recently, has not been for millennials, because millennials don't have any patience. I'm surprised I still have patience, but I guess it's just because I've learned over the years. I hope MindMed run like MJ stock back in the day. So do I, man. That's actually a good suggestion. I want to look at Hive. I haven't looked at Hive in a while. $2.85. Wow. NAK is a super stock. What happened? Oh man, are we talking about the same thing here? Northern Dynasty? I'm pretty sure I looked them up. They have that massive reserve in like Alaska with like one of the largest gold deposits. Undeveloped gold deposits. IMD. Let me think. How long has it been? I dabbled in the stock market for over 10 years. I've been serious about it for the last 3. And I don't really trade. Recently it's been a few more trades that I'm used to, but for the most part I like to take a long position, and the most I'll do is some swing trades. I think this is the environment of swing trading. I still don't, I still don't like day trading. I can't do it. Swing trading maybe. But my swing trading usually goes towards long-term positions. So if I make some money in swing trading, I'll just put it towards like a long-term position. So, have you looked into Magnese X? I have not. What else we got here, guys? Pretty much it for the day. We can look at the other stocks. Oh, how could I forget? Cybin had a crazy day today. So Numinous is down 3.62%. When are we going to start to see some drill results that we can get excited about? That's a great question, Timothy. You know what I feel like? I feel like these gold producers, they see what's happening in gold right now, and they might be a little hesitant to just plow out the results, because I feel like if gold's dropping a little bit, or it's still consolidating, still having, a tough time, the results don't have as much impact. But when gold's going up and the results are coming out and they're good, it's going to have much more impact. Not to say that they should stop operations until gold starts going up. Like, I don't think so either. I'm just saying because that's what I've noticed. And when a company, wants to work with me, if it's a gold company, and they want me to make some sponsored videos or whatever, like recently, like the gold companies haven't really been in a rush to make videos on my channel, just because it's like we want to release the content when people feel more confident about buying gold and silver equities and to have more of an impact. So I think, they're kind of just riding out the market right now and waiting for better times, waiting for like a sustained rally or the market to pick up a little bit. So that's just my opinion. I could be wrong. Of course, we're still going to see companies putting out drill results, and if they deliver great drill results, regardless of whether gold's, declining a little bit or not, the company's still going to go up, more than likely. But that's just my thoughts. Day trading is stressful because you got this assumed the loss and the win. Yeah. I think that's where a lot of people go wrong. They think that you can just make money so fast. You can, but you can also lose it fast. You need a strategy. Crystal. Bought EDR near today's bottom. Let's take a look. And then we'll take a look at Cybin, and then I'm going to head out because I'm going to shoot a quick video for Departure stocks. If you guys want to watch a good video about diversity, tune into Departure's stocks. Wow, dropped from 750 to 5. That's a pretty decent pullback. So here, one sec. We'll just pull this up real quick. I'm not going to play the video. I just want to point it out. And by the way, thanks a lot for supporting Departure stocks, guys. We're already at 3.42K subscribers. So this is our new channel. It's more raw content, more live stream like content. No sponsored content on there also. So if you want to get videos where, it's just me spitting out my opinion, take a look. But I shot this video yesterday about diversity and how I feel about 3 interesting sectors, so it might be worth a watch if you get some time. Wondering if you've heard of PGM and your thoughts. Great videos. Thanks. Pure gold mining. I swear I covered this one. I think I did cover it on Departure's stocks. Like it was like one of our first videos. Let me see. 1 second. We've put out almost 100 videos now. Was this pure gold mining? No. Sorry guys, trying to find this here. What's going on? Which stock was this? Ugh. Oh, that was Gold X. Anyways, I swear I covered it. But they've done pretty well. The Oxygen group's a pretty good group from what I've seen. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out soon. I know it's only been 35 minutes, but I got 2 more videos to shoot and I want to like relax. Had a super busy week, but feel free to ask any more questions if there's any questions that you guys have. Otherwise, I will wrap this stream up in a minute or 2. So we'll give you guys a little time there. Also, what are your plans for the weekend? My plans are to relax. I cannot wait. Oh, one thing I did want to say. Did shoot a video for Hemp Fusion. They are a pretty interesting company. Let's see if we can find them here. New IPO. Where is it? Yeah, for some reason, I've been... Oh, there we go. Yeah, new IPO at 135 by the looks of it. They got up to 191 so far. It's traded sideways since their IPO. It's gone up, traded sideways, but that looks pretty decent to me, that chart. So we'll see how they go. I'm excited to work with them as well. So yeah, anyways, guys, if you don't have any questions, it's all good. I'll stay for another minute and then I will head out. In the meantime, I'm looking at Cybin. Cybin had a crazy run. Oh, wait a second. I did want to say one thing. Let me know if you guys can still see me or hear me. But where is this? I literally started on Wealth Simple. Uh-oh. I started like a week ago. So I just want to send myself this real quick. How am I going to do this? Email. Okay, I know how I'm going to do this. Sorry guys, 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to post a link to the Wealth Simple thingy in the comments and wait. Let's give this a shot. So my question is, how many of you guys trade on Wealth Simple? Where's Departure's Capital? Let's go, man. Let's go. There we go. I guess I'm logged in as Departure Stocks. That's my referral code for Wealth Simple. You can get $10 if you sign up for Wealth Simple. I just started using the app, so we can be Wealth Simple friends. I think if you use that link, you get $10. But I don't know if it works if you're already signed up. So, is gold even in a bull market? Great question. I don't know, man. It's I'm still a long-term gold and silver bull, but it's struggling a bit right now. I think long-term it still is, but once again, that's just my opinion. So yeah, who trades on Wealthsimple? I literally just started. I like the fact that you can buy like one share of like the littlest penny stock if you want to. Like I bought, let's see here. What was it? I bought 13 shares of Cybin at $1.79. So that was cool. Had a great day today. I made $9. Neo, I haven't looked at Neo in a while. That's the wrong Neo. Whoops. I don't know. To be honest, right now, I'm not a big bull on the EV market. I'm not a big. There's lots of potential there still, but it's ran so substantially, especially Neo and Tesla. I would feel like, I wouldn't hold long. That's just my opinion. I don't know. I could be totally wrong. Somsai. Yeah, I mean, more so I'm just doing this Wealthsimple to see if I can, generate a really good percentage gain. So if you guys do want to sign up on Wealthsimple, all you got to do is put over $100 in there and you get $10 for free if you use that referral code, my referral link, and I get a commission too. I think I get like $25. So but it's cool. Maybe I'll start at like a group where we show our Wealthsimple portfolio. Right now I've got $190 in there. Just trying to see what I can do with that, just for fun. So yeah, guys, like today, for example, I bought one share of, what was it? The Dolly Varden Silver Co. for 66 cents. Let's see what I've got in my Wealthsimple portfolio. Oh, loaded up on AAG, 10 shares. $10 in AAG. Sorry, $11. Got 2 shares of Green Lane Renewables. Wow. Killing it. So anyways, guys, yeah, like I said, I'm going to wrap this video up. It's been fun. I like to have fun. This Wealthsimple thing it's just some fun. But do sign up if you're not on the app and you want to, obviously. No pressure. JR is doing an interview next week, guys. Buy some Magnese X on Wealthsimple. Let me see if there are tickers on there. Magnese. Bought 4 shares of Tesla. Oh, manganese. M-A-G-M-A. There we go. All right, 37 cents. You know what? I'll put it on my watch list. There we go. If you sign up for Wealthsimple, I will buy Magnese X with that $25 I get. Where's all this thumbs up? I don't know, guys. There's only 31 so far. So yeah, Sheldon, they're on Wealthsimple, so yeah. I'll have to buy a couple shares. Nice call on 24 cents. Okay, guys. It's time to wrap this up. I'm tired. I'm getting out of here. Thanks so much for tuning into my stream. I will do a stream every Friday, 30 minutes to an hour. I hope I have some better news for you next week. All my precious metal bulls. It was a sad day. It wasn't that good of a week, but hopefully next week's better. And hopefully we got some gains for the psychedelic sector next week. So fingers crossed. Time to relax. Stop